Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that's a 38 Chevy. Maybe the nicest one I've ever seen. This car is amazing. The thousands and thousands of hours and dollars it must have taken to get this car in this shape, man, it is cool. And we're gonna show it all to you. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it in the air so you can see how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your 38 Chev investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out. I tell you, we'll start with the grille right here. Now the grille looks like it's probably original chrome. Now that goes to show you what well cared for this car has been throughout the years, since 1938, to still look that beautiful. You know somebody babied this baby its entire life. Look down the side of it. Look at that black paint. Thousands of hours of body work had to have gone into this, because if you're gonna paint a car black, you better be an awesome body man. Look at that front fender. It's all original steel. When we get it up in the air, you'll be able to see that all we could find is one tiny little patch that was ever done to this. Other than that, this is all original. Look at that door panel. Beautiful. Look at those chairs. Gorgeous. The steering wheel, perfect restoration on that. And then the 3-speed on the floor. It's a blast to drive. I actually did the driving video on this yesterday and just had a hoot driving it. It is a blast to drive, guys. She's awesome. And look at that back seat. There's enough room back there that you could probably set up a card table back there. Very sweet. As you can see, all the black paint is beautiful all the way around. All the chrome back here. It does look like the bumper was re-chromed. And the trunk handle here, I believe, also, that's probably original chrome right there. Just beautiful. And look inside the trunk, the spare tires in there. Just beautiful inside and out. When you look down the side of the car, straight as can be. Pull into any car show, anywhere, you're gonna be the only one with a 38 Chevy in this condition. It is beautiful, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory. We are not a consignment dealer. We buy all of our cars. So you can bet we spend the time to check them out before we buy them. Now we bring in about 40 new cars every month, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take 38 Chevy for a ride. 3-speed on the floor. Hammer down, let's go to the ice cream store. Let's take this baby to a car show. We're gonna be the only one there, I guarantee you. This is one amazing vehicle. They spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars restoring this beauty, and the amount of time. And can you imagine finding parts and refinishing everything? Look down here on the dash. Look at those gauges. Everything looks original, looking sweet. And she's driving sweet. Look at this. Even the horn works. Tell you what, this is a sweet ride, guys. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship it anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Now, this does have synchros on second and third. If you want to get it back in first, you got to just about come to a complete stop or double clutch it. But again, upshifting just fine, driving smooth as can be. I tell you what, I'm ready to go on a road trip. Let's take the 38 Chev. Let's head down to the beach. This thing's sweet, guys. Now we do offer financing too. We can hook you up with financing. Only takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker, or you can fill it out online at vanguardmotorsales.com. There's an app right there online. We're right outside the Motor City if you'd like to fly in and meet us, and we'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. We're gonna do something now nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So hang with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 38 now, and man, she's just as pretty underneath. You can see the gas tank's beautiful. Back sides of the fenders, I don't see any patchwork or anything back here. Everything's nice and clean. It does have an open rear end. Everything is date code correct, so we do believe everything is numbers matching. Frame looks solid as a rock. Now I do see one little welded patch right here in this fender. They did a beautiful job putting it in there. Other than that, I don't see any patchwork under here whatsoever, and that patch is only about that big. These floorboards look original to the car. You can see they use the antique wiring here for it also. Exhaust system's brand new, and look at the shine, even on the bottom side of these running boards are looking great. The battery's in the stock location. The transmission is also date code correct, so we're gonna call that numbers matching also. Now the motor is numbers matching. It does belong to this car. The frame is nice and clean. You can see all these spot welds here. I tell you, they really did a beautiful job, and they started with a really nice car. Now here at Vanguard, we'll pull the brakes all apart, make sure the brakes are in very good working order. Even the numbers have been replaced. Again, the front fenders are steel and they look original to the car, and I don't see any sign of any repair work whatsoever. So they started with a really good product when they restored this car. Now let's look at the wheels and tires. All right, we got the factory hubcaps here on the painted wheels, and we got 6" by 16s up front. And again, look at that paint work right down to the bottom edge. Looks great. Let's check the rear. All right, again, center cap looks good, paintwork looks good, same size tires, 6 by 16. And look at that inner wheelhouse, how clean it is there. Bottom edge of the fender's looking beautiful. And man, I tell you, the paintwork on that gas tank's looking awesome. Let's get under the hood and take a look at the power. All right, we've got the numbers matching 216 straight 6. I tell you what, Chevrolet used the hell out of this motor. This baby makes 85 horsepower. It's got the carburetor. Everything under here looks correct. All the wiring looks good. All the plumbing looks great. It's just an amazing piece here, guys. And you see the restoration is over the top. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.